Don't let your mood be dictated by hidden influences in your gut. Uncover the hidden factors silently affecting your emotional well being and take charge of your physical and mental health. Kindly express your support by clicking the thumbs up icon, leaving a comment to share your thoughts, and subscribing for more valuable insights. Research indicates that individuals experiencing depression and anxiety possess distinct microbiomes compared to those not facing such conditions. In cases of depression, an elevated presence of harmful bacteria is observed, producing inflammatory chemicals. These chemicals travel back to the brain and disperse throughout the body. The optimal scenario involves maintaining a diverse population of bacterial strains in the stomach. Inside the stomach, there is a large group of tiny organisms such as bacteria, viruses, and fungi. This group is known as the microbiome, forming a community that weighs about 3 pounds, similar to the brain. These microscopic organisms play a vital role by producing important chemicals when provided with the right kind of food. They communicate with the brain through a special nerve called the vagus nerve. This nerve originates in the brain, travels down the neck, runs alongside major arteries, and branches out to control organs in the stomach and chest, including the intestines. The vagus nerve is crucial because it not only facilitates the movement of stomach muscles, known as peristalsis, but also regulates heart rate. The microbiome utilizes this nerve to communicate directly with the brain, the chief operating center of the body. The balance of good and bad bacteria in a person's body is influenced by factors such as age, as the diversity of bacteria tends to decrease as individuals get older. Sleep patterns play a role as well, with insufficient sleep promoting the growth of bad bacteria and increasing inflammation. Diet and medications are another factor. Diets high in processed foods, sugar, red meat, and fast food tend to promote the growth of bad bacteria. Various medications, not just antibiotics, can also impact the types of bacteria in the gut. Physical activity, particularly aerobic exercise, can contribute to a more diverse microbiome. Research has shown a significant connection between an unhealthy microbiome and depression. Some studies even indicate that treating depression could be achieved by transferring bacteria from the feces of a non depressed individual to someone experiencing depression. Despite the effectiveness of such transfers, practical concerns, such as the risk of spreading infections, make fecal transplants impractical. Additionally, the idea of introducing someone else's feces into one's body may not be appealing. Kindly show your support by clicking the like button, subscribing, and sharing your thoughts in the comment section. Now, let's discuss probiotics. Probiotics consist of live bacteria that are consumed to enhance the population of beneficial bacteria in the digestive system. These can be obtained through dietary sources or in the form of capsules. It is generally preferable to derive essential nutrients from food rather than relying on supplements. Examples of foods containing probiotics include yogurt, sauerkraut, pickles, and kombucha, as they harbor live bacteria. However, for individuals with severe immune deficiencies, it is advisable to consult a doctor. Increasing the diversity of good bacteria is beneficial, achievable by both consuming probiotic foods and taking probiotic supplements. Probiotic capsules contain freeze dried bacteria that become active once they pass through the stomach and reach the gut. Stay tuned for an essential insight into these particular bacteria and why it requires careful timing for optimal effectiveness and how it is significant to take these on an empty stomach. Until there might be an artificial solution, one also needs to focus on dietary improvements. This involves reducing or eliminating processed foods, sugar, and red meat. Opting for a Mediterranean diet can be a good choice in this regard. This eating plan typically emphasizes fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and healthy fats such as olive oil. Now, focusing on another crucial aspect, increasing aerobic exercise is beneficial. Health guidelines recommend 150 minutes of moderate aerobic exercise weekly. Moderate activities include brisk walking or swimming for 30 minutes, 5 days a week. For those engaging in more vigorous exercises, like running, 75 minutes per week is sufficient. Additionally, incorporating prebiotics into the diet is essential. Prebiotics are fibers that nourish bacteria, ensuring their circulation. Foods high in inulin, fruit, sugars, polyphenols, and polyunsaturated fatty acids serve as prebiotics. Examples include onion, garlic, bananas, walnuts, wine, oily fish, and oats. Consuming these foods helps support the health of the gut bacteria. It's worth noting that probiotics are sometimes referred to as psychobiotics due to their positive impact on mental health. In terms of taking probiotic supplements, the timing is crucial. It is recommended to take them on an empty stomach before a meal. Why? The stomach produces acid during digestion to break down food. Some bacteria, such as specific strains of E. coli, can resist stomach acid, surviving and then releasing toxins that lead to issues like vomiting and diarrhea. The beneficial bacteria, like bifidobacteria and lactobacilli, can also withstand stomach acid but need to move through the stomach quickly. If they linger in the stomach for too long, the acid might harm them. The empty stomach moves things faster, but a substantial meal causes a backup as the body processes the food. In such cases, the bacteria may not traverse the stomach unharmed. Therefore, probiotics are most effective on an empty stomach or with a very light meal, ensuring they reach their destination before stomach acid poses a threat. Transitioning to the subject of sleep, maintaining a consistent bedtime is vital. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of nightly sleep. This routine contributes to overall well being by allowing the body and mind to recuperate adequately. Sufficient sleep ensures the body is adequately rested and ready for the challenges of the following day. Prioritizing gut health is crucial for mood and overall well being. Balancing the microbiome through dietary improvements, probiotics, and healthy lifestyle practices positively impacts mental health. Understanding this connection empowers us to take control of our physical and mental well being. If you found this information helpful, kindly express your support by liking the video. Feel free to share your thoughts or questions in the comment section. Don't miss out on future content. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful information. Until next time, prioritize your diabetic health and stay well.